Hello, this is Jacqueline with J&M Reviews, and I am very happy to talk about this sample provided by Roots Deodorant Cream. So the deodorant cream is made of coconut. It doesn't have sulfates, it doesn't have parabens, it's not made with baking soda, and it also has coconut essential oils. So this is how it looks. And what you want to do is grab a pea size, something like this, and rub it on clean armpits in circular motion. This is how it will look until it's fully absorbed. And you do this, smells just like coconut oil. Smells amazing. Is as you can see, is very moisturizing, it's very hydrating to the skin. This is how it will look on your armpits. Smells amazing. Smells just like coconut. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like. This is the texture of the deodorant. Is 2 ounces, lasts a while. I am very excited to try it. Thank you for watching my video.